Tahoe, Opry, Oxford. Tahoe, Opry, Oxford.
When adapting J.H. Rosny's 1911 novel Quest for Fire, director Jean-Jacques Annaud and screenwriter Gerard Braque were undecided as to what language the characters should speak.
No! Bring up!
After much debate, Annaud explained, "We'll make our own language." The language in the final script was created by author Anthony Burgess, who previously invented the language Nazdat for his novel A Clockwork Orange.
Now cross!
Although the language is fictional, parts of it were derived from the dialect of the native Inuit and Cree peoples of Canada, where, as a Canadian co-production, much of the film was shot. The producers originally balked at the decision to release the film in an indecipherable language with no subtitles. But Quest for Fire went on to become a surprise box office hit and won 5 Genie Awards. Annaud was later approached for 2 possible sequels. He turned them both down. Love movie trivia? Hit the subscribe button for more film facts from Hollywood Suite.